If your cholesterol levels are sneaking by unnoticed, it's time to bring them into the spotlight and fight back. Here's how to tackle hidden cholesterol like a pro. First, prioritize heart-healthy fats. Swap out those saturated fats in red meat and dairy for olive oil, nuts, avocados, and salmon. Next, boost your soluble fiber intake with oats, beans, apples, and flaxseeds. They help sweep away bad cholesterol. Keep moving. Regular exercise like walking or cycling increases good cholesterol and strengthens your heart. Cut down on sugar and processed foods to prevent triglyceride buildup. Choose whole foods instead. Consider plant sterols and stanols in fortified foods to block cholesterol absorption. Stay hydrated and manage stress to keep inflammation at bay. And most importantly, monitor your levels with regular blood tests. Small changes can make a big impact on your heart health. Let's beat stealth cholesterol together.